Okay, so let me just tell you, when I say 10 minutes for this recipe, it's literally 10 minutes. This is my Reuben Quesadillas. This is a hit with all my family members and all my friends. It's quick, it's delicious, you're gonna love it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get to cooking. So let me just tell you something. I'm gonna do a quick mom hack for you. Now, everybody loves to make a whole entire corned beef. You roast it in the oven. It's like a whole thing, especially for St. Patrick's Day. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. But when I am really busy, but I still want those delicious flavors of a traditional Reuben, this is the way to go. I go to my, just my deli at my grocery store, and I ask him to do me a medium shave on their corned beef, and it's delicious. It tastes just the same. Trust me. Right now, I've got about 3/4 of a pound. Obviously, depending on how many you're going to make is what you're going to use. You're really just doing a quick brown on these guys. And then on this side, I've got some sauerkraut. I went ahead and drained all the juices from it. Add a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick. Plop it here. I have this on medium-low here. I'm gonna take my spatulas, get that even. So what you're doing is you're letting that excess juices just kind of drain even more so. And I like my sauerkraut a little crispy. I'm gonna flip these guys. Let them get nice and snug here. Let them cook those down. In just about 1 minute, we'll let that cook down and we'll be back and get ready to build. It is smelling so good out here. My meat's done, my sauerkraut's done. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of oil on here. People make fun of me when I say oil. Do y'all say oil or oil? I gotta know. Oil or oil? Gotta smooth that out there. I'm gonna use 3 tortillas. Obviously, depending on how many people you are feeding, you will use, oh, got a piece that just came off there. All right, we're going to add burrito-size tortillas. I'm gonna actually push this over just a tad more so I can have room for this little guy. All right. Now you gotta work quick with this, okay? Because we don't want our tortillas to burn. So first things first, I'm going to do Thousand Island. We're gonna put it this side down. It's just easier for me to build on the griddle. And honestly, it's one less dish that I have to clean. Oh, my sauerkraut's popping. She ready. Now, Thousand Island, you can purchase from the store like me, or you can make your own. I actually really love making my own, but this is like a super quick way to do it. Just buy the store-bought. All right, here we go. We're going to add our meat. Just kind of make sure they're all pushed together there. All right. There's one. Oh, look how beautiful that looks. So pretty. I'm gonna start over here. Ooh, it's so windy out here today, y'all. There we go. Last little guy is gonna go over here. We're gonna add our sauerkraut mixture to the top. Now, if you're like me, I love sauerkraut. Honestly, I could put a whole jar on this thing and just eat it by itself. Actually, I just eat it out of the jar, just right out of the fridge. All right, and then last but not least, now y'all can make fun of me for this all you want to, or you can totally trust me. Okay, trust me when I say add some pickles. I just do a little bit of garlic pickles on top. This to me just adds such a good zip alongside that sauerkraut. And then we're gonna add some Swiss cheese. Now, my husband hates Swiss cheese, so sometimes what I'll do is ooh, don't do that. I'll put provolone instead of Swiss. Delicious. And honestly, I don't like Swiss either, but I love it on a Reuben. Okay, look at that, deliciously already browned here. We want these to get all snug as a bug. And during your cooking process, I do like a little press down so that it all just gets nice and crispy. All right, I'm gonna bump up just a tad here. I'm gonna say 2 minutes total on toasting these bad boys and they'll be ready to eat. We want to check these out. We're going to give them a good old flip here. You want to see that crispy brown side. Like I said, about 1 to 2 minutes on each side here. Let's pull them off the griddle here, just cutting them in half. Of course, you can cut them into many different sizes, but just a good old half size is what we're going to do. We're going to stack them on this plate, and then all you're going to do is just add a little parsley. Now, this is just optional, but look how beautiful that looks. It is a work of art, and I am ready to get to eating. Let's go. So quick, y'all. 10 minutes total. Oh my goodness, you could just see the meat piled high and the sauerkraut, pickles, all the goodies. Here we go. Oh yeah. I mean, look at the juices coming off. Why do it any other way? If you're gonna do a quesadilla, unless you have leftover corned beef you made in the oven and all that, this is the way to go. Trust me. Your kids are gonna love it, your friends are gonna love it, whoever you serve it to, they're gonna love it. Whether it's quick, simple, or delicious, if it's all three, that's the way to go. My name's Taylor Mock, and I'll see you on the next episode. Cheers.